Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Alexa guard mode with smart home cameras, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Alexa guard mode with smart home cameras, start by ensuring your Echo device is set up and connected to the Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the cameras option from the list of device categories. Make sure your smart home cameras are already added to the Alexa app. If not, tap the plus icon to add your cameras, following the prompts to connect them. Once your cameras are added, go back to the main device's screen. Tap on Echo and Alexa to select your Echo device. Scroll down and select Guard. Now, tap Set up Guard to start the activation process. You'll see options to enable Away Mode and Home Mode. Choose Away Mode to activate guard features when you leave your home. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Next, make sure to enable camera notifications from the settings. This will allow alerts from your smart cameras when motion is detected. After adjusting the settings, tap Save to apply changes. Return to the guard menu to review your settings. Now, simply say Alexa, I'm leaving to activate guard mode. Alexa will respond and activate the guard features, including monitoring your smart cameras. To disable guard mode, simply say Alexa, I'm home. This will turn off the camera monitoring and return your Echo device to normal functionality. You are now equipped to use Alexa guard mode effectively with your smart home cameras. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.